everyone, and welcome to Quarantine Cooking. I'm Ashley Ranky-Hawk, your nutrition expert, and today we're going to talk about a micronutrient that a lot of people need on a daily basis, but might not be getting while this shelter in place is in order. That's vitamin D. So let's dig in to why vitamin D is so important and some of the foods that can provide your daily dose of it. So let's start by talking about why vitamin D is relevant right now. Vitamin D is really great for bone health. In order for calcium to be absorbed into your body, you need to have vitamin D. So it's really important when you're in your early 20s because you're building the blocks for the rest of your life. Not only that, but vitamin D has been shown to help fight depression, and it's going to help lower your risk of cancer. And for those of us that are lucky to get outside for about 20 minutes a day and expose our arms and our face, then that's a fantastic way to naturally get vitamin D. However, with the shelter-in-place order happening, it can be hard for some people that live in apartment buildings or shared houses to get outside and feel like they're still safe while they're in the sun. We're in luck. There's other ways to get vitamin D, and that's through your diet. One of my favorite go-tos is usually eggs. Egg yolks are loaded with vitamin D, and you can scramble them and put them into a burrito, or you can have your hard-boiled eggs. Now, if you're eating predominantly plant-based, then a fantastic alternative is something like tofu. Tofu has loads of vitamin D in it as well, and again, you can put those into a burrito and you've got a fantastic snack or breakfast. Now, almond milk, coconut milk, or any sort of fortified plant-based milk is also going to be a great way to get extra vitamin D. A lot of these milks have been fortified, but that's okay because you're going to be getting anywhere from 40 to 50% of your daily dose in just one serving. So don't be afraid to try something that's fortified. It's doing that for a reason. Now, the last product that I want to point out is actually something that's really high in protein. This is called Good Catch. It is an alternative plant-based tuna. So in one pouch of this, you're going to get anywhere from 20 to 24 grams of protein. Protein is vitamin D's best friend because you need both of these in order to build strong bones. So this is a great way to eat plant-based but still get all the nutrients you need. So don't worry, summer is around the corner and we're going to be able to enjoy that great sunshine. But for now, don't let your body suffer. There are still ways to get all the micronutrients you need through the foods that you eat. Thank you so much for checking out this segment on quarantine cooking and the importance of vitamin D. I'm Ashley Ranky-Hawk, and be sure to let me know any topics that you would like to see covered.